Special thank you to Batteries Online for sponsoring this video. For more information about all their amazing products, head on over to batteriesonline.co.za. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Techland Media review. Today we are reviewing the Noco GB40. Now, special thank you to Batteries Online for sponsoring this video. Now, this is one of their most popular range. This is the GB40 unit. Now, this thing is not only a power bank, it is also a jump starter for your car. So guys, we are doing a giveaway of this exact model. It's the GB40 unit. Now, to enter this giveaway, comment down in the comment sections below. Tell me, why would you guys like to win this? And also check in the description, there's a link to enter. There's 3 different ways to enter. So the more you enter, the better chances you get. And don't forget, if you retweet every single day, you get another entry. So on Twitter, you can do 1 entry every single day. Alright guys, so let's bust into this box and see what we get. Alright, so as you guys can see, very neat packaging from their side. On top you've got your unit. As you can see, it's a very small form factor. Beautiful, it can fit in your pocket anytime, anywhere, and you can just basically on the go. Just break this caution sticker. Alright, so there you guys can see. Now this one over here, this is the GB30 unit. Little bit different color. This is the light gray one and this is the dark gray. This is the GB40. Right. A little bit more packaging. And here you've got the clamps. Now these guys are beautiful. They are extremely high quality. It's fantastic. There's nothing more I can say about these except they're amazing. Very high durability and amazing products. Then also in the box we've got your standard, I would say Android charger. You can use for charging. You can even use your own charger for your mobile. It uses a 2.1 amp charger to charge this device. Alright, so you've also got the little carry bag. You can see Noco over there. And then it also comes with a cigarette charger, very high quality for your car. This is basically what you get inside of the box. You've got your unit, you've got a little bit of a carry case, you've got your charging cable, and then also your, obviously for your battery to charge it to start your car. And then you've got your cigarette charger, which is also a 2.1 amp charger. So let's have a look at the unit itself. So the unit, it's got a USB out, so you would use this one to charge other devices such as your cameras, your cell phones, and basically everything that you need to charge. Then you've got your USB in, which you'll be using to charge this unit. And then if you flip it around, this is where you would put the stongs to jumpstart your car. So as you guys can see over there, it basically slides in like that. Now when your car's battery is dead, all you do is you hook it up to your terminals of your car and then you start it and boom, magic. So this is for the more high-end cars, the more, how can I say, resource-intensive cars, buckets, trucks, everything. It goes up to a 6 liter for petrol and a 3 liter for diesel, because diesel obviously you need more power to start. So this unit over here, it can start a 6 liter up to about 9 times before the battery will run flat. But I mean, come on, why would you want to start the car 9 times, like in a row? I mean, you chuck it in the boot of your car, you go on a trip, if your battery is dead, you start it up, boom. Alright, so another nice feature about this unit is if you're outside and it's dark and everything, you can always just, you know, turn on your light. Let me put this back. You've got your main light, your normal light, then you've got a little bit more of a dim light, and then you've got like the little bit dimmer, more like battery saving, if I put it that way. And then you've got your emergency lights. Now this is for when you're next to the road and you need to warn other people like, hey, listen, my car's broken down, I need help. So this is basically what this is for. You put it on top of a car and people can see you've got a breakdown. So as you guys can see over here, I've got currently the GB30. It's already fully charged everything and I'm using it to charge my phone. I can probably get about, I would say, 3 to 4 phone chargers from this one unit. This is the light unit, this is the 400 amp unit, but we'll be doing the giveaway of this unit over here, the GB40. Alright ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to put this unit to the test. As you guys can see, my car doesn't start. So, let's put it to the test. There we go, easy as that. Comment down below, tell us, why would you like to win this unit? You can be anywhere in the world, it'll be shipped to you. Enter the competition below, comment down below and check the description for the link to enter. Once again, a special thank you to Batteries Online for sponsoring this channel. And yeah guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway, link in the description down below.